Namaskar. Hello everyone. Myself, I'm Penyal Deepak Sai, Intel Front Ambassador and Head of Intel IoT. Today, we're having a session on Blog-A-Thon. So I will guide you through the whole the contest. So first we'll go through the contest and then I will explain you through the rules. Then on which topics you can make a blog, I will go through that too. And we'll explore what are the prizes or certifications from this contest. Then, when it comes to blogs, what are the benefits of writing blogs? I will explain that too. Then I will demonstrate you how to write a blog in Medium, in GitHub, or how to host a blog on your own website. I will guide you through that. So we'll be starting with the contest. Let me share my screen. My screen is visible, right? Okay then. Okay. Hi everyone. Okay, let me go to the Intel website. Yeah, so this is a contest, Blog-A-Thon, which is a blog writing competition. So you may all see the poster here. If you scan this website, you will get redirected to this website here from this QR code. So blog writing. So each participant has to submit a medium blog. It can be written on any of these topics. Uh, it is not only on Medium actually. You can most preferable website is on Medium. Because why on Medium? Medium is a simple one where you can post a blog as simple as posting on a LinkedIn or a Facebook post. And then you can create the blog on GitHub. I will show you how to do that too. So before creating on GitHub, you need to have a bit knowledge on markup language by GitHub. And then if you want to host the blog on your own website, then you need to know the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the backend languages, right? I will demonstrate you this Intel ASC.tech slash contest.html background code on how I build this website, how you can do say something like this, and then the blog should be original, right? So more plagiarism will lead to disqualification of your submission. So Google yourself. So what the topic are you choosing? If you're doing something on deep learning development, then Google it, collect the information and write in your own words. Please don't just copy paste here. And then the end date for the blog to be submitted is by 21st June 2022. Today is 18, right? So actually, the contest is started from 16, 18, 19, 20, 21. We do have, excluding today, we have 3 more days for the submission. I will, when you need to first register here, actually, then in 1 or 2 days, you will receive a link for the submission of your blog and topic. I will soon send that link in 1 or 2 days. Meanwhile, make your blog ready with the content and with the including all these rules and regulations. It should complete with all these rules and regulations, right? So now when we're coming to topic, topic is the theme is machine learning, AI, deep learning, IoT. These are the booming technologies right now, right? In software actually. When you're a person who came from hardware, then IoT is something which suits you actually. IoT, in my words, IoT is something which is software plus hardware. So you can make something in machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and IoT. So on machine learning, if you want to make a make a blog on a new website on a new technology, for example, the latest buzzing one is that Google AI engineer got fired because he posted a blog on Medium actually that AI is sentient, AI has feelings, and AI is expressible. That's the post that the blog he made, and Google fired him because he regulated some of their terms and conditions. And then you can choose something topic, something like invention or future developments, or you can analyze few technologies existing, and you can mention some best tools you can use in these streams, or you can start a you can mention a blog on how to start a career in these themes. how to start a career in IoT, how to learn deep learning, how to learn machine learning and AI. So you can, including Intel technologies will give bonus score, because end of the day your blocks, after being and selecting all blocks, your block will be submitted to Intel. So they will review and they will add that blocks point to our campus, to our Intel IoT Club and to me. I'm a student ambassador, right? So you need to, if you include some Intel technologies, is someone talking? Okay, let me continue. Okay, so including Intel technologies, whether the Intel's new inventions or existing inventions, what are the versions that Intel recently got updated, and what are the technologies exist in Intel, whether it's Open Dev Cloud or Open, the technologies existing on those ideas and themes. So if you include Intel technologies, then surely you are on top actually. Uh, so when it comes to rules and regulations, anyone having doubt? Okay. Rules and regulations. So this event is a solo event. You can't have a team. You need to perform on your own. You need to create on your own. You need to submit on your own, and the prize will be given to only one place, one person for a place. So the blog must contain a minimum of 800 words, because uh, less amount of words will not come under blog. So minimum 800 words to, if you have a minimum 800 words, then it will be considered for evaluation. So again, to qualify the blog, to qualify for the competition, your blog must be submitted by the due date, that is 21st June 2022. Again, plagiarism will lead to disqualification. The end of the day, when you made some paragraph and wrote some paragraph, and then you have the pictures ready, before putting your in the blog, just check the plagiarism content available in it. Go through the Grammarly website like that, and then will not consider any blog spreading any kind of hate, negativity, anything negative side. So please don't include this hate and negativity in your blogs. You will be disqualified and you can't allow from next competition. And again, organizers will have the right to give final judgments regarding any issues. Only one blog can be submitted by person. Participants must mention topic while submitting the blog. I will share the link soon, where you can give out your name, mobile number, or email, and then the topic name, topic link. You can submit there. So again, the dates are from 16 June to 21st June. You can click here and register yourself. Already gave one submission for myself, so it will show only one submission. Okay, yeah. So you need to click here and register in forms. This is just your registration that you are going to make a blog. So the final submission, that is, you already made a blog and you can submit the link. That link will be shared soon to you. Anybody having doubts in this contest rules and regulations or any topics, you can go ahead. You can even type in chat so that I will reply. Yeah, go ahead, Nikita. I can ask you doubt.
I wanted to know, should the name of your topic be the same as the title?
And get you the topic right.
Yeah, like for
Your voice
example,
is
if your
breaking. Can
topic,
you repeat?
yeah, for example, if your topic is recent developments in deep learning, do you have to name your blog the same thing, or can you give your article a different title?
Yeah. So you can like not from the if you're making something that is what I can say.
Does the heading of your blog be the same as the topic you have chosen?
No, actually, just if you're making about something on deep learning, then you can just give the topic name. That is, I made a log on developments in deep learning, or you can just specify the topic itself or the heading itself. For interesting blogs, they will start the blog with a question, right? So it is not particularly the blog name should be the first line, but the main topic, the theme of your blog should be the topic that you're going to submit in registrations.
Yes, the theme will be written in the registration form, but should the title, like the heading of the blog, be the same thing?
No, no, not exactly. You can title it any type.
Okay, that's what I wanted to know.
And just like if you're making a blog, just include that at end of the blog is a submission to this hackathon, so that it will be easy for us to identify your
Okay,
name, your name and email ID, and then the submission to the blog-a-thon contest from Intel IoT Club.
okay, that should be like the concluding line.
Yeah. You can give a conclusion, and at end of the blog, please include these 3 lines.
Okay, thanks. That's what I wanted to know.
Okay. Okay, moving on. So what are the prizes from this hackathon that you'll get? The first prize winner will get 1,500 with a certificate printed from our campus. And the second prize you'll get 1,000 rupees plus certificate, and the remaining people will get participation certificates. And then so these are the prizes, and you'll get a chance. You all get deep learning.ai vouchers where you can apply 50% off on deep learning courses, or any course in Coursera. And then if you okay, isn't it off? Okay, moving ahead. Uh, if your blog that is if your blog is more interesting, then your blog may reach the Intel top officials, and you may get opportunities from them directly. Actually, as I am submitting your blog to the Intel after this blogathon ends, then they will review each and every blog. If your blog something that caught their eyes, then you'll be on their hit list. So moving ahead, so what are the benefits of writing blog? You can manage your online identity and build trust. Where when you're writing blogs, most of some people I know they got famous from writing blogs, writing information on internet. You can say blog is a piece of information about a topic on internet. Uh, you'll learn new things, right? Like if you're about to write a blog, then you'll explore, you'll get resources from Google, right? So then you'll learn many more new things. It will also improve your writing skills. It will improve your verbal grammatical mistakes, or those writing skills, right? So you could become proficient in a new language if you are new to English or something. Then you can get technical knowledge if you're working for a technical blog, for example our Blog-A-Thon. And then through these blogs, you may connect to new people. If someone from other country, foreign countries may like your blog, and then they will connect with you for further any developments or research, something like that. And then after several blogs, right? After you writing several blogs, your blogs will get more views, right? Then you can claim yourself as an expert, because real experts never need to call themselves experts. Others will do it for you. As you become recognized in your niche, then you'll get invited to take parts in interviews and blog posts, compiling expert tips or advice. The last will put you in the company of other experts in niche and will help you labeled as an expert more often. Then one of the keys to gaining expert recognition is always to be helpful. While you don't want to start offering free consulting services, you do want to help as many as people in small ways, right? Answering a question here and there will make more people respect you. Then another benefit you can get is you may get invited to speaker. You may get invited as a speaker on any event, whether it's India or international, depends on your blog. Then you can become an author, right? First, you can start with a blog, then you can work on researches and books. Just find your interest. If you're someone, if you're just starting out writing a blog, you got very interest in this blog writing, you may reach to the top level in this field, right? And then you may reach to job offers, as I earlier said. You can start a new business or any startup from this blog writing. You'll learn, you'll meet new people, you'll get connections. So you can start a new business, or you can make a existing business more what you say, more attractive. These are some of the benefits of blog writing. So I will going ahead, I will show you how to write a blog in Medium first. So let me Google the Medium. This is the website medium.com. So generally you need to register yourself here. So just click on getting started and fill the information with your email and those options. And after creating an account, just click on this button, write post. Click on write post. Keep it. This writing a blog in Medium is, as earlier said, as simple as making a link in a Facebook post. Just keep type your heading. So after writing on including your matters here, you can include pictures, you can include links, you can include many more things. After anything, just click on after editing and making a blog, just click on publish here. Yeah, this is my blog. So just copy the link and paste this link with a topic on the submission link that we are going to give you. That's all. That's the end of your blog submission. We'll take care of the rest and we'll select the winners based on the responses. Now, moving ahead, how can you write a blog in GitHub actually? Go to GitHub. You can just make a new repository or can develop an existing one. Well, I will show you something that I previously made and I will edit that. So this is something that I already made. In GitHub, it is very easy to post a blog. Let me show you. So just go to this is the blog post actually. You will get the link here. Kappa.io. You can include images here, text here, and the same will appear on your end website. This is actually the GitHub's markup language. Markup language is very easy. You can learn it in around 5 to 10 minutes. We are going to write on GitHub, then this doc will be useful for you. Let me post it in comments. Let me share the Medium website too. So after creating a repo, you can create a repo on GitHub, something like this new repository, and then your repository name. Make it public so that everyone can view it. Add a README file where you can call this a README file. This is the description of your project, or this will be the page for your blog actually when you're making it as a blog. Choose the license. If you're making some project, then there's our license available like MIT license or something like that. You can choose that accordingly. After creating a blog, just go to the README file. Just click on this edit. So you can see that the code for this website is this 6 lines. Twitter, single hashtag is a large heading here, and then 4 hashtags is a mini small heading, and then 2 hashtags is a second top heading size. And I include image. This is syntax for image. So you can do something like this. So this will be the name of the you can say this one, the image, and then this will be the link. So how can include this link? Actually, when you see my repository here, let me open the repository in another website. Tscrap is my folder which contain these images. I'm going to that, and my first image called 1.png. So basically, it's tscrap is my folder, right? So tscrap slash one point like one dot png. That's the name and format of my file. You can include a topic here itself, the design, and then double hashtag what's next. You can include the same plan like this. You can do a blog in GitHub, and then you can make commit changes and you can publish the blog, and you can share the link. So before if you created a new repo on tweet on GitHub, you need to enable its GitHub enable its page first. Go to settings, GitHub pages. This will be default setting actually. There won't be anything, and there won't be anything. So just choose the main and root, and you need to change the actually the most important thing you need to do is if you're creating something like your repo name is file. So change the name to file.io. IO is something that this GitHub will recognize that you're going to make it a separate mini website. You can call it actually. It is called GitHub pages in GitHub language, GitHub terms. These are the GitHub pages. You'll get a guide on GitHub docs and help list. So you can choose a theme accordingly. There are many themes I've already built available. You can choose accordingly and do the editing there. And then if you are about to create something on a custom domain, there is a bit of hectic task that involve. You need to buy a domain in some domain selling website like domain.com. Then you need to enable it for the server receiving the GitHub. There will be a few server lines. You need to just mention those server lines on domain.com, and it will get activated in 4 to 6 hours. And then you can just give your domain name here and save. Then it will automatically connect the domain there. So after enabling it, your site will be published at this link. You can copy the link here. This will be the link. That's how you code you mini code your website in GitHub. Now let me show this website's backend code. Uh, I use Replit as my developer tool on internet. So this is my development server actually. It is as same as this Intel ASC.x server, but it is not the same actually. I will show you. This is the development server that I work on. End of the editing and everything when done, I will push it to GitHub and then it will automatically update here. The code will get committed in GitHub. So you can make something on Replit by creating this. You can say a web development page. It will contain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here you won't need any backend actually. It will directly built on Replit. If you want to use something like Flask, then you need to make it as a Python file and then do it with a Flask server. For that, you need to just run this program the program will be running, and you need to just close this tab. You should stop. When you stop the replit, then the website will won't work. The server should run 24 hours to get to be on internet. So directly hosting on here is as simple as you can think. If you want to allow me, what is this is the backend code actually. If I want to make a change, there are some key details involved. Those HTML and CSS JavaScript language you need to know before making website, something like that. So I recommend you learn that more before making a website. And yeah, that's it. If you have any doubts on creating a blog in Medium or GitHub or making your own website, please ask me now. You can just type in chat so that I will reply. Okay, that's it. That's all about the hackathon. Let me share the submission link. Anyone here already started working on blog? You can just raise your hands. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. You can reach me. Reach out to me if you have any. If you're stuck somewhere, if you have any doubts, I'll help you out. Then if you want to participate in this contest but yet to start, then this is the perfect time. Today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday, right? Then please start working on this. It will hardly take around, if you have the topic in mind, if you know about some topic in already, and then you want to make that blog, then it will take hardly around half an hour to publish a blog actually. So make sure you make sure where you want to publish a blog, on which technology, just research about that, and at the final just make a blog in a notepad, and then you can design the blog at it. Please don't muggle up the designing part and then the research part. You'll get stuck in middle. First make a content ready, any infographics related to that picture, related to the technology or the blog you're making, and then at end you can post that on Medium or GitHub or own website. Well, if you want me to yeah, I made a blog and published it on Medium, right? If you want to make me a blog instantly now on GitHub, you can just sure ask me. I will do that now. Okay, cool. Okay. Now, I request you to start working on blog and get ready with a submission. So you'll receive a link on tomorrow, 19 or 20th. You will receive the link. So you can submit that. The end of the contest will be on 21st actually. So we'll make the judgments on 22nd, and we'll announce the winner on 23rd evening on online Teams event itself. Okay. I think that's the end of this meeting. Thanks for joining. Anyone would like to ask me doubts or any questions? Please just go ahead.
Can we use the Google blog to have our publication? like what are the technology?
Yeah, yeah, you can use any technology, or if you have something like same like Medium, where you can publish the blog on some Google built website or anything, just you can post there and share the link.
Okay, okay. Thank you for.
Thank you, sir. That's the end of this session. You can just ask your doubts in the Teams meeting itself. I will reply here in the Teams chat. You'll get this recording. You can hear the recording. I will share the recording with the other people also, so that they will get a grasp on how to participate in this contest. Just the end of the meeting. Thanks for joining. I'm winding up. Thank you.